block. Here it is. This is the modem right here. Let's take a look at this thing. All right. So there is an AC wall charger for it. Here is the Type C to Type C, which we've got outlets that can be charged without using the wall block. Here it is. This is the modem right here. On the back, you've got an Ethernet port. You've got your power port. Looks like the SIM card slots. It's got one in it. Looks like it's got a slot that they could actually run two off of, if need be. Here was the power cord itself with the adapter that they've got with a little switch, on and off switch, because here is the battery. As you see, the inside is segmented on the bag. So this is a 60,000 mAh battery, 22.5 watt. That looks like a lightning plug right there with a micro USB and the Type C there and the USB A ports here. This little battery, when fully charged up, supposed to produce enough power for this for a week.